I'm currently in the upstairs bathroom. Shower doors, glass. Has sort of like a mermaid looking kind of type thing. Flames. So it's kind of nice, but we have our old shower curtain that we had from our apartment where there were no glass doors. And there happens to be a curtain rod here. I forget if that was from the apartment or not. I think it was. But we put the shower curtain here just to go right over here because it looks nice and it kind of matches the bathroom. Today, we washed the shower curtain. So now I have the arduous task of putting all the hooks back in, and there's actually two curtains, which makes it even more fun. So we have to get all the hooks in and rehang it. So first things first, this is the shower curtain. I don't know which side is in or out. I don't know if it matters. I think that's the inside over there because it's got a nicer, but then it's got the plasticky thing on this side. That's interesting. No, this would be better for the outside. All right, so we have that. And then we have another shower curtain here. I don't know where this one came from. I have to find the right end of it. So, okay, so now I need the other end. And this one, I don't know if it really makes a difference which way it goes. I guess I'll put it in the same orientation, which means I'll have to go this way. So we'll pull that through. And there's a little slit right there and a slit there. And it gets tricky. I think, come to think of it, the hooks were here and then the rod was here also. I don't know why, because there's a thing. Okay, I have to go through the other way. I think. Which way does this go? Let's see. Like that. So that one lines up. And I guess it's sort of standard length. But it's just sort of, it's kind of tricky how you have to get it through. Like that. There we are. If there are a different number of holes, which I don't know about or not, tangled together. So it has to go in, so I missed the other one. It's sort of a fidgety, finicky process. There's that one. So we gotta go and put that through now. Turn it around and push that in. And we will just continue on and work our way down. There we are. We got it. So now, yes, I did have this correct. So now, let me just get a couple up there. I'll turn the camera back up there. Just keep putting up the hooks. And there. Now is the shower curtain again. Yay! And we usually leave it squeak, kind of pushed over and then sort of, evened out on this side, and that's just where it sits, and that's how it goes. And there's a shower curtain. It's back up. So good. That was fairly painless. Not too bad. They sure smell a lot nicer being through the laundry and that. So good. All looks good. Back up. Don't have to worry about that now. And of course, it's not really functional. It's just here to look pretty. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hi, little one. What are you doing? You settling in for your afternoon nap? Don't want to be bothered. Make nice, little mollusk. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, make nice. Nice little girly squirrely. Oh, very nice. Yes, okay, scratching. Oh, there's a scratch. Yes, all the scratching things. Yes, yes. Good little squirrel. Good little squirrel. Okay, flump down.